Yeah, what's going on? Back with some Marvel Collect, and there's a couple free stuff that I want to claim first, and then open some Gwen Stacy packs. So, like usual, I'm going to do the free coins, 2,000 and 5,000. Mystery box, 5,000. Deathlock, Night Thrasher, Hulkling, Cypher, and Crimson Dynamo all green. Star-Lord, Wiccan, Cyclops, Spider-Ham, Black Cat and Silk insert, and Iron Fist, and 3 spins. They put a lot more coins on the wheel now, just in case you haven't seen that. 7,000. So right now I'm at like 14, 19,000. Just by doing a couple things, you get like almost 20,000 coins. So 21. Let's see. Okay, I'll save the bonus ones for another time. So right away, what is that, like 7, 21, 26,000 coins. Again, as you can see, there's a free editor's choice, which is cool because if you've been collecting those, they are a really nice collection. This one looks even really sweet too. Elijah Bradley. And it's going to go ahead and claim it. And this is number 7. So again, the new one is going to be Gwen Stacy, if I can find it. Oh, here it is. Gwen Stacy collection out now. And this dropped about 5 hours ago. Super rare Gwen cards are in there, rare. And again, there's a lot. I don't know, like, you guys should let me know if you want me to show everything. I probably shouldn't show the epics because these are really insanely hard to get, and very pricey to get. Not really hard, just very pricey, I guess, is the best way to put it. That's pretty funny. Why do they have her dressed up like... This is cool. It's pretty different. These are all the same, just different borders. So that was green, purple, blue character cards. Nice. They kind of cross her over with other characters, as you can obviously see. Oh, that one's even funnier. That's probably the best one. So with all that being said, let me start by doing 10 of these. That'll bring it down to 107. So you have 1 in 5, 1 in 16, and 1 in 75 odds. Venom, Havoc. Nice. First one there. And Beta Ray Bill. Purple. So again, uncommon, rare, and super rare. And then if you want to try for the epic, again, it's gonna cost you a pretty penny, as the saying goes. For $7, you get 1,400 for $5. So pretty much, let's see. You have, so 5 times 27 can ultimately cost you like almost $150. Oh wait, you get 7 packs, so no, forget that. You get like maybe 5, 4. Yeah, it'll probably cost you like $20 if you hit one of those. And that's even if you hit it, because the odds sometimes are not what it says. Boulder, Electro, Jessica Jones, and another Gwen Stacy. Pretty sweet. Jean Grey, Juggernaut, Daredevil, Spider-Woman. MODOK, Kingpin, Red Skull, Taskmaster. Green Goblin, Thor, Shocker, Ghost Spider. Ant-Man, Winter Soldier, Elektra, and another one there, Gwen Stacy, the Unconquerable. Karnak, Cable, Rocket, Grey Gargoyle. Angela, Silver Samurai, Valkyrie, Shocker. Luke Cage, Mystique, Absorbing Man, Vulture. Cypher, America Chavez, another Gwen Stacy, and a Sabretooth. Archangel, Nick Fury, Falcon, Balder. Okay, so that was, let's see, that was 11. Here's 12. Black Cat, Wolverine, and another purple. Fing Fang Foom, I guess that's supposed to be. $13. She-Hulk, Crimson Dynamo, Grey Gargoyle, Ant-Man. $13. Grey Gargoyle, Deathlock, Beta Ray Bill, Beast. Magic, America Chavez, Cannibal, Abomination. So I believe that was 15. Maybe I'll do another 5. 16. Sif, Kate Bishop, Gwengula, Quicksilver. 17. Hobgoblin, Sharon Carter, Apocalypse, Crimson Dynamo. Crimson Dynamo, Sif, Triton, Union Jack. 18. Mystique, Blade, Maestro, and Rocket. Number 19. Black Cat, and another one, Gwen, Phoenix, and Black Cat. 5. 19. Loki, Night Thrasher, Nick Fury, Kingpin. And number 20. Black Bolt, Fing Fang Foom, Magneto, Dazzler. 21. Iron Patriot, Storm, Kazar, Winter Soldier. 22. This is so close. Medusa, Night Thrasher, Maestro, A-Bomb. 23. Alright, I'm just gonna go to 25. 23. Ironheart, Deathlock, Cyclops, Maria Hill. 24. Angel, Rocket, Night Thrasher, Moon Knight. And 25. She-Hulk, Shocker, Leader, Magneto. So So that's number 25 there. All right, I'll see you guys later. Well, let's just do a quick recap, I guess. So only one rare and a couple purples, which I guess is better than nothing. And let me look at those epics again, just because if I ever want to invest. All right, I'll see you guys later.